Good morning, everybody. My name's Michelle Kensig, and I'm here to share with you how to be calendar ready for 2019. So, ladies, the first thing that you need to do is jump on and print yourself out a monthly calendar for the whole year. So, I like to use calendarlabs.com. They have awesome way that you can print your own calendar with the dates that you want to start with. Now, we don't want to skip ahead though. We're going to start with January and work on January only. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and mark off on your calendar all the days that you can't do parties. So you need to mark off family days off. You need to mark off appointments that you might have. You need to mark off days that you may already have your stylings booked in for. Now, this is what the calendar looks like that I like to use. So the next thing that you want to do is then mark off on your calendar either with some little star stickers or highlight the boxes the days that you specifically want to book your stylings in. Now this is really helpful so you actually have a clear goal of where you want to book those parties. Now I never work further than 2 weeks in advance, so always make sure you're working for the current time. Booking further than 2 weeks out is not recommended. Our most successful parties are booked and held within 5 to 7 days. So once I've got those dates on my calendar highlighted, I can then go to my potential hosts and offer them my next available date. So never say to your host, oh great, you want to have a styling, perfect, when would you like it? Because your host is going to say weeks down the track or even a month or 2. So by having your calendar ready, you can then offer her your next available date. Now, I also, for January particularly, to help kickstart my new year, I do like to offer some incentives or some little host bribes. So those dates that I've highlighted on my calendar, I'll say to my host that you can choose one of these dates and I'll reward you with a mystery gift or a voucher. So, what we need to do is to keep the date simple, offer to our hosts, have your calendar organised and ready so you know what you're doing, and everybody that you're offering the dates to will often say yes to those dates. Now, I've got a little saying that I really love, and I'm going to share that with you, and that's a river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but its persistence. So have a great 2019, everybody. Really simple, get your calendar ready and book those dates in. Bye, everybody.